What's up, everybody? It's your girl, Yadi Girl Flavor, and yes, I'm coming back with a next salmon recipe. Salmon is so versatile, and there's so much you could do to it, and whatever flavor you add to it, it definitely absorb it. So here, as you see, I have a salmon. They were skinless. I have took them out the package. I've sliced them and cut them into fours. Now I'm gonna wash them with some lime and vinegar. Then I'm gonna pat dry them, and we're gonna get into the seasoning of them. So my salmon was well marinated for over an hour. Look at that seasoning sticking to the salmon. That's what you want, okay? You don't want your seasoning to be falling off. So we are going to be making some pineapple brown stew salmon. So let's get into it. So in my skillet, I have some oil, and I'm going to go ahead and get my fresh herb or seasoning ready. We will be using some onion, some tomato, bell peppers, green onion or scallion, thyme, and a scotch bonnet pepper. So let's get into searing or frying up these salmon. And a quick and easy way to get your salmon, get the seasoning holding to your salmon is, if you don't have the time for it to sit and marinate, is to add olive oil or regular oil to your salmon before adding in your seasoning. That will also help. And with our pineapple brown stew salmon, I will be serving it with some yellow rice and my famous garlicky gingery green beans. That also, there's a link on my channel on how I make that as well. But here I'm just letting my salmon fry evenly on both sides, and salmon cook really quick, guys, so just keep an eye on it to make sure it's not overcooked or get burnt. So here I have my salmon. They are nicely fried up and ready. Look at that, guys. Look at that. They were you could have them just like that by themselves, maybe a sandwich or something on mashed potato. But I'm going in to start building my brown stew sauce. Here I had all my fresh herb that I showed you guys earlier in. Then I'm going to go in with some pineapple chunks and pineapple juice because we're making pineapple brown stew salmon, so we need to add that in. Okay, so watch me build flavor. So here I've added my salmon to my pot, and you want to take some of that liquid or gravy or sauce that we have made and base your salmon as well, so it can also absorb that flavor. But this was a quick easy dinner. Look at that, guys, flavorful and delicious. Stay tuned to see my plating, and thank you guys for watching this one with me. Like, share, subscribe, and leave me a comment. Thank you.